What's up, guys? It's your upcoming content YouTube creator, Christine Carissa, and yeah, today's video is all about get ready with me. First of all, I'm gonna do like some tidying up the kitchen, like make sure everything is in its place, and before I leave the apartment, so I'm just cleaning and doing everything that's supposed to be done because I don't live alone in this apartment. I live with somebody else, so whatever I use, I make sure that I put it back into its required place. And this is the outcome after I've done my cleaning. As you can see, I tried to make sure I wanted to put like the bottle to like the water to drip downwards, but it was impossible. Yeah, so it's me here telling you that, as you can see, I've gone to my bedroom, tried to tidy up, make sure the bed is nice and tidy, make sure everything is like according to its place, guys, because I am that organized. Yeah, you can see I love this cushion, this type of bedding, guys. It's so amazing, it's so cozy. This is me choosing my outfits and now getting to shower, washing my face, and like normal face routine, you know, make sure like I have the smoothest face, that I'm scrubbing it, scrubbing, make sure like all the dead cells, not entirely all the dead cells, but just having a clean face, as a girl. So making my applying my vitamin C. And yeah, I decided, guys, to change the outfit, the top, because it was not caving. So this is me after freshening up and I'm ready to go. The top previously was brown, but I decided to do like the bluish. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to click and subscribe, guys.